Hi everyone. Today we will see one more use case of SE16H Tcode. Today we will see how you can put a inner join within SE16H Tcode on two tables and also have a constant variable check. So the first table which we will be checking is EKKO, which is purchase order header table. Now we will define a join over here by clicking on this button. So my query will be on EKPO table, and my company code should be equal to KS01. So the output of this join will be fields from EKKO table and also EKPO table, and at the same time this company code should be equal to KS01. So if in this EKPO table in SE16, if I click on number of entries, I'm getting 100 number of entries. So the output of that join which we put on SE16H should be 100 number of records. So I have come back over here in SE16H T code. My primary table name is EKKO, which I have entered over here. It shows purchasing document header. And then we will click on this button to maintain relationships. I'll give a name, which is EKPO company code, and we will click on create. So it makes an entry over here. Now what I'll do is I'll click on create, but okay, sorry. So here I will enter the secondary table as EKPO and we'll select few fields. So I'll select EBLN from EKPO, EBLP, the item number, material number. We'll also select the company code to see whether it is filtered for that company code only. And I will also select couple of other fields, PO quantity and order of unit, and you click on enter. So this is the list of fields which will also come in the output along with the primary table EKKO. Now we will select this as a inner join because I want the join to be a inner join, and then we'll select this and click on enter. Now here access definition of the secondary table. So we will click on create button over here. So this gets enabled. So the field name which I want to compare over here now is, first is the purchasing document number. I have to compare the purchasing document number of the header with the purchasing document number of the line item. So I will put it as EKPO. Okay. So the first comparison will be done with EBLN, that is the PO number from EKKO table on this secondary this thing. Okay, and then I'll click on create once again over here. Wait a minute. Here we will select the condition as company code. Okay, sorry. So the first field, if you see over here, in the this pop-up which you see, it is the PO line item table field. So instead of comparing it to EKPO, we will compare it to EKKO. Sorry, that was a mistake. And the second field which I chose over here from the line item table is company code. And instead of reference, we will use constant. So I will be comparing it with constant KS01. Okay. So there are two where conditions in the inner join. First is on the PO number, which we will compare it with the header table. And second is on the company code, and it will be compared to the constant value KS01. So we will save this save button and then click on apply entries. It will ask for a pop-up. Do you want to save the edited application? We will say yes. So now from the drop down, we'll select this join and we will check the number of entries. So if you see now, it is showing number of entries which satisfy this condition is 100. And now if I click on execute, what will happen is a query will be fired on EKKO table. Okay, these are all the fields of EKKO table till I scroll to the end. Now, if you see over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are 6 fields from the EKPO table. So the purchasing document number is matching. Then comes the item number, then the material number, and the company code. If you see for all the entries, it is KS01 because we have declared it as a constant, and then it has fetched the PO quantity and also the unit of measure. So this is how we are able to use the inner join in SE16H itself on EKKO and EKPO tables, wherein we are comparing the PO number and also the